Welcome back, everyone. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to add a chart to Report Builder in Report Builder, and this is going to be our last lesson for working with Report Builder. We can literally have an entire series on Report Builder. To add a chart, you want to go to, if you're over here, you want to go to Insert and then Chart, and I'm going to use the Chart Wizard. I'm going to select my data set and I'm going to click Next, and these are the different types I can add. I'm going to go with a column chart. Over here it says what are the fields that you want to use and how do you want to categorize if you're going to have any series, and of course values. Let's say for the sake of this I want to take a look at my state provinces. Are they here somewhere? Yes. So I'm going to add that to categories. And I'm going to get the total due to the series. And all I did was double click them and I put them in the proper places. Of course, you can always drag and drop. I'm going to click next. It gives me a preview here of what it's going to look like. I'm going to click finish. Now notice it dropped it directly in here, so I'm going to go and click and grab this and pull it down so it's below the actual report itself, and I'm going to run this and see what I have. Let's take a look at it. So if I scroll down here, you can see that I have a cute report. When I hover over it, the numbers don't look very hot, especially because we formatted the numbers properly here. So let's go and see how we can make that change. I can click on these to select them, and then it says total due. I'm going to select this and take a look at series properties. And you can see the tooltip is showing up as this hashtag val_y for value in the y direction. And this took me quite a while to figure out. And you have to use curly braces and put in C2 for currency 2 digits. Now you could also do N2 for just number 2 digit. Now currency adds the dollar sign, which is something I like to have. So I'm going to click OK here and then run this. And we have our chart. If I hover over it, you can see that now it shows up the currency with 2 digits and a dollar sign, which is very pretty. I'm going to save this report, and that's going to publish it. So if I go back to my browser and refresh this, we should now have a chart here too, and we can hover over it and it works beautifully. Oh, I'm missing a chart title. It's nice to put in a chart title. Let's go back to design view, and I'm going to click and click. I'm going to change this to customer spending by region, let's say. And I will save this. And I'll go back to my browser and reload it. And we should see the change taking effect. Customer spending by region. So this is what I want to cover in Report Builder. In the next lesson, we're going to take a look at security, how we can allow various levels of access to reports that are created by Report Builder. As always, thank you for being a great audience. If you're enjoying these, please share with friends, loved ones, spread the word, and see you in the next video.